Would you like to decor your property like a professional to sell it much faster? In this video, I will give you 5 super simple tips to decor any kind of space. So let's pick out a house from this website called Idealista in Spain. This website is one of the most famous here to find a house to buy, sell or rent. And in this case, we choose this 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom apartment somewhere in Madrid. And as you can see, we have some pictures to be improved. The price of this house is 142,000. To make the 3D decoration, we will make some basic and approximate measurements. So for instance, this wall is 340 meters, which is like 1133 feet. This other wall, which belongs to the bedroom, is 253 meters, which is 843 feet. And this one is 3.3 meters, which is 11 feet. So let's begin with the living room. Here we can see a kind of small space with 2 big couches surrounded by all kind of random stuffs. There are toys, teddy bears, you can see pictures, frames, boxes, a guitar, even a web wipes. I mean, too much information for such a small place, right? So this is going to be the tip number 1. Tidy up your space before making any picture. Do not make no picture with too many personal objects in the space. It gives information about the person who lives in the house, and furthermore, it doesn't look very professional. A second mistake for the sellers is not doing like basic renovation. I'm talking about the humidity which you can see in the ceiling. This is a big no for a smart seller, and it's actually a huge problem in the long term, and no one wants to deal with that. The room probably smells funny and the cost of the reno may be significant. So the tip number 2 to the sellers: do some basic renovation before showing your property. It can be painting, changing the doors or the windows, the floors, etc. I know it sounds like you have to put some extra money, but at the end you are increasing your percentage of selling much faster. So let's see what would happen if we just put all this furniture in a more symmetric way. Not too bad, right? Tip number 3. Use the symmetry in the decoration. It helps a lot to show a more organized place. But if you just want to invest a bit on IKEA or maybe in a second-hand shop, you could do something like this. We add 2 armchairs, 2 pillows, 1 plant and 1 white curtains to complete our decoration. Without the armchair, it can look like this. So for the tip number 4, I will suggest do some home staging. It can be very basic or it can be professional, but it's important to do it. And for this place, these are my suggestions. To make the window looks bigger, change the curtains and buy a bigger one. Adding some curtains on both sides of the window, you can create the illusion of making the window looks bigger and brighter. Go for low-heighted furniture with lighter color, and in this case without armrest. That will reduce the volume of the piece. Instead repeating the sofa 2 times, add 2 armchairs with similar color. Find a very light coffee table. This one is just perfect because it's thin, white and made with glass. The storage combination which I selected is from IKEA. On the other hand, you don't need to show your TV, which is the tip number 5. Some people does not watch it anymore, so you can replace it with a nice piece of art instead. Add a nice carpet to make the place look much comfy. Add some extra light and put some nice decoration. You just add a lot of value to this living room. Now it feels much clean, modern and even more sophisticated. So let's check out the bedroom now. Again, the same situation, we can spend hours looking at all kinds of personal objects everywhere. Again, more toys, there is a belt on the door, and much more personal objects that you don't need to see in this kind of pictures. But the main problem which I see in this bedroom is the furniture distribution. Closet and bed are both in a complete wrong place. Just changing the position of these two pieces will make the room much more comfortable. By moving the bed to the opposite wall, we actually gain some extra space to access to the window more easily. Adding two bed-sized tables helps to create the symmetry that will bring the room to the best of its potential. If you would like to change the room completely by doing some home staging, these are our recommendations. Choose a more neutral color palette, which means that the closet, the blanket and the curtain should be replaced. Check out some nice ideas from Pinterest and collect all the pictures that you like to add them later in the same board. This tool is amazing to inspire you, but also to keep all your ideas together. You can search, for instance, cozy bedrooms, get inspired by some of them, explore a bit what do you like, and make your personal collection. As you can see, all this picture has the same style, same color, and more or less same vibe. This will help you to follow the same path in the whole project. And there we have the before and the after of this bedroom. If you need some help with your space, you can send us the picture of your house, so we can create the next video with your personal project. You will have to send us some pictures and some basic measurements. And to do the measurements of your place, I will explain you how to do it in a very simple way. To make the pictures, try to avoid angles, pointing the camera just in front of every wall. Check out our website for more ideas. You can follow us on Instagram and leave us your comment in the down section below. See you next time.